Music. Discover your roots with this AncestryDNA kit review. Product links and details are below. AncestryDNA leads the market in genetic testing, revealing your ancestry, connecting you with family, and exploring your heritage in amazing detail. Curious about your ethnic origins, cultural history, or family ties? This kit makes DNA exploration easy. Simply collect a saliva sample using the included instructions. Results arrive in 6 to 8 weeks online. AncestryDNA provides an ethnic breakdown spanning over 1,800 global regions, pinpointing your ancestors' origins and even migration patterns. Its huge database ensures accurate results and helps you connect with relatives. The DNA Matches feature reveals genetic relatives, perfect for building family trees or reuniting with distant family. AncestryDNA seamlessly integrates with Ancestry.com, a separate paid service for building family trees and accessing historical records, ideal for genealogy buffs. While AncestryDNA focuses on heritage and family connections, not health insights, it remains unmatched for those exploring their origins. Uncover your family story with AncestryDNA, a top choice for personal history discovery.